Outside on this Monday evening, a live look in Fort Smith there along Rogers Avenue. The sun's shining brightly, but wow, what a difference a few days make. Matt, I took my kids to swim lessons this morning, and dare I say, they were a bit chilly.
I bet they were.
Right?
You kind of count on some of that humidity to try to warm you up, but not the case for the next couple of days. In fact, it's pretty impressive to get a cold front that's this strong that keeps us this cool with lower humidity for, a few days rather than just maybe a day or two. We're probably going to keep this lower humidity throughout at least the midweek. I'll be honest, we could almost keep it all the way towards the weekend. The problem, though, is that we've got a tropical system that's starting to kind of get its act together a little bit in the Gulf. We're going to touch on that, and some of the rain will come from that, and when it comes in, it's going to really boost our humidity, so it's got to come right back to Arkansas and Oklahoma. This evening, though, no worries. We've got partly cloudy skies in northwest Arkansas. We'll eventually get back to the 70s by about 7, 8 o'clock or so. You're going to notice the clouds increasing a bit as we get towards sunset, about 8:30. In the River Valley, we're in the 80s for the next few hours. We're going to get some of those clouds a little bit later this evening after sunset, maybe closer to 9, 10 o'clock or so. But it's a beautiful one out there. I hope you're enjoying your Monday. We've got high pressure in place for us. We had a beautiful day today, but when you do look westbound, you notice some of these showers in southern Kansas and northern Oklahoma. As they move eastbound, they're going to continue to fall apart and deteriorate thanks to this high pressure. But if you live north of the Bobby Harbor Tunnel, you could get maybe a stray sprinkle sometime tonight, maybe even tomorrow morning. The majority of the rain will stay off towards the west, but you're going to notice a few extra clouds coming on in. When you zoom in a little bit more, we could even get a stray sprinkle next couple of hours right along the state line with Missouri, mainly in Benton County, maybe northern Washington County. In Fort Smith, Van Buren, and for the rest of us in the River Valley, I think we're good for a while. We may try to get a stray sprinkle tomorrow morning, but most of that rain will stay off towards the west. We all have heavier rain chances, though, coming up later in the end of the week and towards the weekend. Look at this. We've got some showers and thunderstorms starting to rotate in the Gulf. There's a very low chance that this really tries to get its act together, but what it's going to do is it's going to kind of follow this path. We went ahead and just drew it just for you. These showers and storms, as you kind of see it circulating around the low pressure, will probably make landfall into southeastern Texas the next couple of days, but then southerly winds are going to bring it right towards Arkansas and Oklahoma, bringing us some of those showers and thunderstorms. But I think overall, we've got maybe a tiny chance for a sprinkle tonight, and then we go back to more sun the next couple of days. We've got a really nice stretch of days ahead of us. Temperatures tomorrow getting in towards those mid-80s. Here's a look at Futurecast. The clouds increasing, see them coming in from the west just a little bit, maybe a stray shower out of that too. But otherwise, that'll just be a morning thing, and then we have a lot of sun tomorrow afternoon. Humidity's coming back, and the humidity's coming back because the tropics are getting active once again. We're going to touch on that a little bit more coming up tonight at 6. But because of that tropical wave, we've got to increase rain chances, not really where you want them. As soon as we start the 4th of July holiday weekend, that's when the tropics start to come right towards Arkansas.
But that doesn't mean we're going to get deluge.
Correct.
Okay.
Probably more in the afternoon, but we have that chance.
Okay.
Gotcha.
All right, Matt, thanks.